What's nara?
チャンネル登録してね。
Japanese has a number of ways to say if.
なら、
Is one of them. If, in case. If it is the case that. If it is true that.
なら、
Is called a conditional. It is attached to the condition. If that is the case, then I use
なら、
with adjectives, nouns, and verbs. Let's look at how to use it and then a few examples. For e-adjectives, it is very easy. Just add
なら、
after the adjective as is. Let's see an example.
高いなら買わない。
If it is expensive, I won't buy it. It's easy. Just add
なら、
after the e-adjective. In this case, it is
高い。高いなら買わない。高いなら買わない。
What about not adjectives? Well, they're treated like nouns. And good news. Like e-adjectives, you simply add
なら、
after nouns and not adjectives. Let's see an example.
あなたならできる。
If it's you doing it, you can do it. It can be done. This is a good phrase to remember if you want to show confidence in someone's ability to do something.
あなたならできる。あなたならできる。
Lastly, we come to verbs. Surely this is hard, really hard. Well, the ancient Japanese grammarians did us a favor and made this one easy too. Just stick
なら、
after the plain form of the verb.
あなたが行くなら私も行きます。
If you are going, I'll go too.
あなたが行くなら私も行きます。あなたが行くなら私も行きます。
Final tip. In speech, the explanatory no or are often added after,
なら、
so you can say
高いのなら買わない。
and.
あなたが行くんなら私も行きます。
Let's repeat the example sentences a few times to seal the deal. Repeat after the speaker.
高いなら買わない。高いなら買わない。高いのなら買わない。高いのなら買わない。あなたならできる。あなたならできる。
For this one, we don't have a no or version of this, since it would make it possessive and change the meaning. Moving on.
あなたが行くなら私も行きます。あなたが行くなら私も行きます。あなたが行くんなら私も行きます。あなたが行くんなら私も行きます。
And that's it. To use,
なら、
simply add it after the e-adjective, not adjective, noun, and the plain dictionary verb form. Do you know about our Makoto Plus membership? You get our monthly magazine for learners of Japanese, as well as weekly exclusive lessons and monthly freebie downloads. Check it out today.
皆さん、頑張りましょう